for Vlogmas. This is the last week of Vlogmas and day number 1. That's Sunday, the 21st of... Is it 21st or 22nd? Sunday, the 22nd of December. That's how distracted I am about dates. And right now, we are driving to church with the entire family. There is Habs driving. Say hi.
Hi.
And there is Kyle and Hadassah.
Hi.
We are going to church today morning, and later we shall come back home after the church, go back in the evening for Christmas carols where this mister will be singing, so we shall have to go back then. However, today I won't be able to show you clips of what's happening at church since I won't be at the main church. I'll be helping out in the children's church. So see you later. I'll probably get you clips of the Christmas carols so you join into the singing with us. Until next time, bye bye. So Vlogmas day number 2, week number 4. That's the last week, and today is the 23rd of December. I could say it's the eve of Christmas Eve. And one thing I want to be grateful about Vlogmas, I've decided to come out the way I would want the world to see me, because most of the times I would never record a video without makeup on or step out of the house without makeup. I would like to give myself a pat on the back that I can actually come and record a video without any makeup on, because before I would just go have a quick touch up and appear. But yeah, a lot of enough with that. And today is quite a busy day. I'm going to bake a vanilla cake, a sponge cake for a friend of mine. She wants it for Christmas. Then I'm also going to bake some shortbread cookies that we are carrying with us for a housewarming Christmas party we're invited to by by some friends of ours. It's quite close to where we stay, and we shall be going later in the evening. I don't have much time right now. It's around 1 p.m. and the party is 5-6 o'clock. We shall probably be there for 6 o'clock, and I'm going to whip up a few shortbread cookies. I'll show you how I get along, and we shall carry them to the Christmas housewarming party. They just moved into that place a few months ago, so it's brilliant that they invited us, and we had a lovely time at the Christmas concert yesterday. I know you've watched a few clips already, and it was a lovely time. Habs was singing there. I was really proud of him. Probably might notice him on stage, someone I could have probably ever focused on much. Yeah, the kids are home. It's a slow day. I didn't wake up early because when we don't have early mornings like school to go to the next day, I tend to go to bed quite late, and that affords me a lie-in in the morning. And right now I'm going to go ahead with the baking. I'll show you how I get along. Okay, bye, see you later. I finished baking all the cookies, and I've reused an old Christmas cookies tin I kept 2 Christmases ago, and I packed them up. These are the plain vanilla ones, chocolate flavored ones. Then these were colored with red, but the red wasn't deep enough. I didn't want to go so strong with the red just in case it alters the taste. And I'm carrying this to the party. I know the kids will enjoy the cookies. I had plans of decorating them with some filling, jam, chocolate, but I've run out of time. I'm late for the party. I'll just carry them as they are, and while these are done, the cakes are baking in the oven, and probably by the time I leave they will have baked, and I'll leave them on the cooling wire rack, dry, cooling up. Then I'll ice them tomorrow. I'll probably show you how I get along with the icing. I'll be icing both the fruit cake and the vanilla cake. The fruit cakes are baked. I'll decorate just one that's going out. Ours would prefer it without anything. Then the vanilla ones will also be iced, probably with buttercream frosting. I'll show you how I get along. Bye. Right now, let me go prepare, wear some makeup, look presentable for the party. Bye. We are off to the Christmas party. The rest of the family are already in the car, and I'm having a short vlogmas. I've worn my octave coat, just a red jumper because I don't have a Christmas jumper. And I've done some makeup. Bye. Hi, today is Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, and I'm here now ready to ice these cakes. A friend of mine will be picking them up soon, today definitely. And this is the Victoria sponge cake. There are 2 layers that I've stuck together, and I'm going to ice it with buttercream frosting, and I'll probably make it a naked cake, so just a thin layer of it and a decoration on top. And this is a fruit cake that I baked early in December, and I'm going to be icing it with fondant. I'll first put a thin layer of buttercream frosting, then I'll finish up with some fondant and some decorations. Yeah, bye for now. I've finished decorating all the cakes, and over here I have the vanilla sponge cake which I baked yesterday, and I just decorated, made it semi-naked. That's why you can see underneath. I was going for just a semi-naked cake. The owner doesn't want a lot of frosting. I know, given that I've thrown so much on top, I just didn't want to spend a lot of time with decorating, so I played around with the colored, with green fondant that I had remaining, and that's what it looks like. And then the fruit cakes, this I also one on Pinterest, so this was Pinterest inspired, just having stars that form a Christmas tree. Then I still went around with red fondant, and this is the fruit cake that's going to my friend's house. And then for mine, this is the fruit cake that will stay in my house. I always just leave it plain, but because I had fondant that I didn't use last Christmas, I'm glad it hadn't yet expired. No, not fondant, marzipan, that's the yellow base. Ideally, you should have marzipan at the bottom, then have fondant on top. I couldn't be bothered because I just always leave mine plain, so I decided to just go ahead, put the fondant, the marzipan. I was honestly very tired, it's been a busy morning. Then just cut out snowflakes and a few gold and white beads. And that's it for the cakes. That's the house one. It's a fruit cake. The 2 fruit cakes I baked are these ones, these 2. Then this is the vanilla sponge. These 2 are going to the same house. But it so happened that my friend loves the fruit cake, but the husband loves my vanilla sponge so much, so he still asked for another. So there we go. The cakes are baked. Hi, thank you for joining me on this journey and joining my channel. It is Josie. From my family and I would like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.